Hello, Internet. I bought these Quiet Comfort Earbuds 2 from Bose last year, and shortly after they released these, they released the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultras that were essentially the same, but they just upgraded them very quickly. And immediately I had problems with these headphones where the Bluetooth was constantly disconnecting. And I saw other people complaining about the Bluetooth and how it constantly disconnects. Whenever you connect to these, it takes multiple tries for the Bluetooth to connect, and then it sounds like there's a lag for about 3 or 4 minutes before it fully syncs up and they work as expected. So what I did is I called Bose and I said I was having Bluetooth problems, and they said, "Oh, we know about it. This seems to be a thing. If you send them back to us, we'll just send you the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultras for free." So if you are having problems with the Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds 2, call up Bose, send your old ones in, and they'll give you the new ones for free. They seem to know about it. I think it's a thing, and I'll post back once I get my new ones. Thank you. Okay, I've got the new ones. Bose sent a return shipping label to me to return the Bose Quiet Comfort 2s for free. And then as soon as I got the old ones, they sent me the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultras for free, which was amazing, actually. The Bose customer service rep was actually really nice. And I explained to them that I had tried resetting my old headphones multiple times and was still having Bluetooth issues. And they were really accommodating and said, "Okay, yeah, we'll send you the Bose Ultras for free." Sent me a return shipping label. I took them to my local UPS store. And within a week and a half, I had these Bose Ultras for free at my doorstep. And so the Bose Ultras are USB-A to USB-C. They still have these similar ear fitting tips. The only real difference is the case is a little bit larger. The earbuds are a little bit larger. I'm talking millimeters here. And they sound pretty much the same. They just have one more mode called immersion mode, which is essentially spatial audio competitor for the Apple AirPods. I'll have a full review for these soon.